Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to add the subscription for Draw WebSocket to draw the sketch on whiteboard in React application. So let's get started. As you can see, the return statement inside the app component. So on the top of the canvas tag, I'm going to add here the tag for div where we have the input for color. So as you can see, the tag for input. On this we have the property value. Second we have on change event. On this event we are calling here the use state set color. Now after that, let me expand this use effect hook inside the on connect function. I'm going to subscribe here the draw WebSocket. So as you can see, the method from client that we have subscribe. Inside this we have the URL /topic/drawings and the callback parameter that we have message. This message contain stroke data. Inside this we have to pass here message body to JSON and we have to save into this variable received stroke. After that we have to call here the use state set strokes to add the received stroke to the existing strokes array using functional update. Let me minimize this use effect hook. Now after that I'm going to add here another use effect hook. Inside the dependency array we have to pass here the strokes. This use effect runs whenever the strokes array has changes. Inside the use effect I'm going to get here the actual canvas STOMP element from React ref. After that I'm going to get here 2D drawing context for the canvas. After getting the 2D drawing context from canvas, we have to clear the entire canvas before redrawing and redraw all the strokes. After this use effect, I'm going to add here the function for draw stroke. Inside the argument, it will get ctx and the stroke. Now inside this function, we have the if condition if a stroke has at least 2 points. Inside this, we have to start a new path for the stroke and move to the starting point. After that, we have a for loop that connects all the subsequent points with lines. After connecting all the points, we have to set here the line color. Default will be a black. With this, we have to set here the line width. Default will be a 2 pixels. And we have to draw the line on the canvas. Now you can take a look of app component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the input for pick color. Let me pick here the color red. Let's draw something here on the canvas. We can see the real-time drawing on the next tab. Let me draw something else. As you can see, that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.